Welcome to Motorsphere, your home for the latest in high-performance motorcycles and racing machines. Today, we are diving into the beast that is the 2025 BMW M1000 RR, a track-focused supersport engineered to dominate both road and circuit. With updates that push the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels, the new MR is sharper, lighter, and faster than ever before. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 M1000 RR builds on BMW's M lineage with a refined aerodynamic package. Carbon winglets now produce even more downforce, giving the bike improved stability under hard acceleration and in corners. A reshaped fairing and lighter bodywork contribute to both visual aggression and enhanced airflow, resulting in reduced drag and better high-speed performance. Engine and performance. At the heart of the MR is a water-cooled, inline four-cylinder engine producing an astounding 212 horsepower at 14,500 RPM, with a red line near 15,100 RPM. Peak torque comes in at 113 Nm. Lightweight titanium components and a race-ready M exhaust system help shave grams while maximizing power delivery. Combined with a 6-speed gearbox and quickshifter, this machine delivers a razor-sharp response with blistering acceleration. Chassis and handling. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis geometry for even greater precision. The aluminum bridge frame, adjustable swing-arm pivot, and revised suspension setup offer excellent cornering feedback and control. The carbon wheels, now standard, reduce unsprung mass, enhancing agility and stability at speed. Electronics and technology. Riders can tailor their experience using multiple riding modes, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and a pit lane limiter. A bright TFT display delivers all critical data at a glance, while the GPS-based M-Lap timer allows you to analyze performance with precision. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW M1000 RR isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Whether you're chasing lap records or carving canyons, it offers pure race technology in a street-legal package. BMW has once again proven that performance and precision can coexist beautifully. Thanks for tuning into Motorsphere. Hit subscribe and stay sharp on the road ahead.